G'day, welcome to Sumo's Projects. This is my entry into the box building challenge hosted by Dash 22. Daniel, so let's go make it. G'day folks, Sumo here, taking part in this awesome springtime box making challenge hosted by Daniel Grace, Dash 22. Thank you, Daniel, for putting on such a great event. And whilst this is not a conventional gift box or anything, I had no real plans or desire to make something like that because it would have been for nothing, no reason. And so I came up with the idea of making something useful for my vehicle, and I'm really happy that I could make this. I'm cutting down part of a sheet of lightweight plywood, which is used primarily in manufacturing of caravans, and it's absolutely wonderful to work with, just having that lightweight capability, easy to handle, and it machines really easily. So I've cut the two sides for this box, and with my little reversible outfeed stop here on my miter saw, I'm setting up to cut it down to the size I need, which is about 1 metre. This is one of the most simple projects you can make. I'm using butt joint type joinery, using a lot of glue, which obviously in reference to strength doesn't do much, but it helps you align, and the next process will be to put in some nails, some brad nails. So I don't know about you, but if you're anything like me, I've seen a large amount of shorts videos on YouTube nowadays. I know it's supposedly the future, and I've made a few, but I really personally like watching the longer version of videos. Let me know what your thoughts are, because I suppose there's something for everyone. But yeah, so using my Ryobi brad nailer, not a sponsored thing, of course. I buy everything I own. Just tacking it together, and now I'm cutting the bottom out for the box. More cutting. I've had this little thing of nails, I think, for years, and I've been using it for years, and it's like a bottomless pit. It never runs out of nails. So I actually find it therapeutic going back to the time where we used to use nails. So got a flush trim bit in here, so the bottom was a little bit over the size, and I'm just trimming this now to make it all nice and even, and then running a round over to most of the corners of this box. Good old rounder bits. Where would we be without rounder bits? So I've chucked a 320 Abranet mesh onto the old sander, and I'm just cleaning this up. Lightweight plywood. What can I say, guys? If you get your hands on a sheet of it, it's going to more or less make a lot of your builds, especially for the garage, more lightweight and easy to handle, and don't let your plugs fall out while you're sanding, because it stops. Using some croc grip. This is a good gear. Stop it from hopefully moving around too much in the back of the car, and it's got an adhesive side, so easy process. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate that. It's been a long, slow toil, a bit like a sloth racing a snail up a tree, but we'll get there at the end. And it's all been a bit of a fun, the whole journey. So this is good stuff. I'm going to put a handle on here, just to make it easy to bring back out. This is going to be carrying shopping bags and some tools that I leave in the car, and whatever else I want to put in there. So good stuff. Pretty much the end of the video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Jump on board with my channel if you like. Thank you to Daniel for hosting this grouse challenge, and good luck to all the participants. Hopefully you can win one of his books, which is fantastic. All right, until the next exciting episode, I'll bid you farewell and stay healthy and keep on making good stuff, guys. So from Sumo, I'm going to say hooroo.